More megapixels doesn't necessarily mean better image quality. Okay, I'll explain it. This was taken by a Canon EOS R50's 24 megapixel lens. This was taken by an iPhone 13 Pro Max's 12 megapixel lens. This was taken by a Samsung Galaxy A05's 50 megapixel lens. It's obvious that between the three devices, the Canon EOS R50's 24 megapixel takes the best quality pictures. But between the smartphones, the iPhone's 12 megapixel lens outperforms the Samsung Galaxy's 50 megapixel lens. Yes, it's true. Megapixels indicate the amount of detail a camera sensor can capture, and a higher megapixel count means more tiny dots in each picture, thus improving picture quality. However, the number of megapixels is not the only factor that contributes to good image quality, which is a very common misconception. Other aspects include things like the sensor size. The camera sensor is the component that captures the light for a camera. The larger the sensor, the more light it can capture. We also have the lens quality. The lens quality will impact the sharpness, the distortion, and the color accuracy. Higher quality lenses produce clearer and more accurate images. Also, we have the aperture, which allows light to enter the sensor. The wider the aperture, the more light that can enter the sensor, thus improving image quality, especially in low light settings. And we also have the shutter speeds. Faster shutter speeds freeze motion and prevent blur. Slower speeds allow more light but may lead to motion blur. Balancing those factors affects image quality. And finally, we have image processing. Smartphones apply various algorithms to enhance images after capture. It affects the color accuracy, the noise reduction, and the overall image processing speed. A powerful processor can enhance image quality. So a combination of all these factors and more contribute to good image quality. While it's true megapixels matter, other factors like the sensor size, the lens quality, and image processing play a crucial role in determining camera quality. Understanding these aspects can help you to focus and make informed choices when selecting a smartphone camera. And just like that, in a flash, we now understand the basics of a good camera quality. Don't forget to follow 8th Avenue for more tech terms explained, and I'll explain it. Wait, oh yes, by the way, I am still running the Mobicel IX series giveaway, so make sure to view my pinned video to get the details, and the winner will be announced on Sunday the 19th of May 2024. And now I'm done. My name is Alexis and I'll explain it.